looks like we finally have a nice, calm, beautiful day. Time to make some fishing content. Well, it's looking good. It's clean. Just need some gas and we'll be ready to go. I think I just heard Sammy roll up, so you know what that means? It's showtime. Well, we're gonna run past molasses towards the humps.
Okay.
And then we're gonna look for birds and weed lines.
We found that sick rip out there.
Yeah, find a sick.
Is there a rip out there?
There was a couple days ago.
I should have looked at Satfish to see where that. You could see that. You could see that rip on Satfish.
And so the journey begins. Will we make it back? Will we get a fish? Nobody knows. We are out here, 280 feet of water. What kind of goodies have you made for us back here?
We got it all. We got the whole buffet for fish.
I love that.
Bonita strips. Do you see that, Dan?
Oh, Dan made that.
Boys, blue and white or black and purple? What are we feeling?
All right, black and purple. Man.
Yeah, I love the black and purple. All right, we are out here in the middle of nowhere, kind of. But the water is nice and blue. We got tuna busting around the boat. They're busting out there too. All right, we got a mahi on the feather. Yeah!
Nice.
Woo! Nice. Oh, that is a good one.
Put us in more of a turn, Hike.
All right, yeah. Get ready to reel, Dan. That is a good one.
Water, look good.
Yeah, buddy. That looked like a gaffer. Wow, hit the little feather right behind the boat in the prop wash.
Love that feather.
I hope I can get a jump right at the boat. That would make me tingle.
Whoop, whoop. Get that jump?
I don't know.
There you go. Nice.
Yes!
There we go.
Hey, boys.
Nice job.
Yeah! Look at that. He's half blue, half green.
Nice color.
We like it.
He's multicolored.
We like it.
Came out of nowhere.
Out of nowhere.
Hit the feather right up against the side of the boat. Close.
Good fish, guys. Good
Nice.
fish.
Pretty.
That is it.
Damn, he is a bloody boy. Came up and nailed that little feather. Whew. Listen, that's the feather that we put in the box. I'm just saying, in the traveling tackle box.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Look at
Special
those colors.
feathers.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's a beauty. You're saying yours isn't as big as Dan's?
Again, that's what she said, right?
That's what she said. Little mahi. Keeper though?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, you go.
Yeah.
Coming in hot. Woo! Nice fish. Nice fish.
All right.
Fish number 2.
Take it.
I'm sorry, what's that in his?
Think we're gonna have some mahi fish tacos today. Damn. Well, there goes the deck getting bloody again.
Excellent.
All right, another fish in the box.
Into the box.
You know, on days like today, you find a bird, it's probably got a fish under it.
That's all it takes.
Because there's nothing else out here.
One bird.
All right, well, we gave it our all to get some wahoo, but
Gave it all.
instead we just got mahi. What a sad life we live.
That's right.
Yeah, rough life. It's tough living down here. We have to eat fresh mahi. Now we go home. All right, it's mahi taco time, and once again we have Carson slaving away in the kitchen.
Guys, put me to work again.
And right now he is cutting all the bloodlines.
This is for Heiko's tacos. He likes the fishy fish, so we put all the bloodline in his tacos, and then we eat the clean meat. Sound good? These are yours.
I don't even know what to say to that. So yeah, the bloodline is that red meat. We cut that out, or Carson cut it out, leaving us with a nice clean mahi meat. We're gonna blacken it up. It's so funny. We're gonna blacken it up and put in some tacos. Let's go.
These aren't even good tacos. That's some bullshit.
Secret taco sauce?
Yes, don't tell anybody.
All right.
Don't put this on your channel.
What's in there?
I'm gonna be mad if you put this on your channel. You got mayo, sour cream, about half and half, and a bunch of hot sauce.
I don't know if you guys caught that, but that was a secret hot sauce.
Yeah, just definitely not put this on your channel.
Yeah, definitely not putting that on the channel.
Oh, we're burning butter over here. So I can swear all I want.
You can say whatever you want.
Carson, have you watched any of his videos?
I did shoulders, biceps. I went all out. If you ever get asked to cook in somebody's house, make sure you make a mess. Like just food everywhere. You'll never have to cook again.
There is quite a mess in the kitchen. This reminds me of yesterday's cooking session.
Sammy's way cleaner than me.
Did you see how much sour cream was on Sammy's sweater? We got done cooking.
Alright.
I was like trying to get 10. Where did you and Carson meet?
Tinder. Or Bumble.
I'm supposed to tell her that.
Ow, it's hot.
You gotta know the right terminology.
Bumble, Tinder, Grindr, it's all the same stuff. Where's the all you fat people out there? You keep eating like this and you'll stay fat.
All right, where did I put my taco's over here. All right, I made a taco. There we go. Carson made it happen. Carson's already on taco number 2. I haven't even taken my first bite yet, so here we go. Let's give it a try.
Pineapple makes it.
Damn, what the?
It's really good.
How's it so good?
You're surprised that my tacos are good? Unbelievable.
Oh, that might be in like one of my top tacos. Woo! All right.
I'll come make a mess in your kitchen whenever, dude.
Carson made a little bit of a mess, but it's fine. He did all the work. And except, look what he did. Melted a bunch of plastic onto my counter. Thanks for watching. It'd be super cool if you check out some more of my videos. Cheers.